Good evening, my people. My mom is digging. Hey. Evening work. Are you seeing her?
Hello.
She's there.
Thank you for supporting Taniabarbs. Please keep on supporting.
They are supporting me so much. Thank you so much for working this evening, Mommy.
You're welcome.
She's planning to plant greens.
Yes.
Kitchen green. This is kitchen garden. Our kitchen garden. So Mommy is going to plant
some dodo.
Dodo.
In our local language.
Yes.
And tula. Tula is the small eggplants.
Yes, small eggplants. Yes. Green eggplants.
Sour.
Is it? Sour.
What about the sour one? Yeah, those are the sour.
And the small ones?
There are many types. But those are also sour eggplants.
Eggplants, small eggplants.
Yeah, they are also sour.
Okay.
Yeah, but the big ones are not sour.
Okay. The white ones or the green ones?
No, the green ones are the sour ones. The white ones are not sour.
Okay.
And the dark ones are not sour.
Oh.
And the smallest are very sour.
Those small ones?
Yeah.
They are not good. They are good for those who have blood pressure, diabetes, and what else? I don't remember.
And
but
when you use them much, you can't even have much gas in your stomach.
Those small ones?
Yeah, both.
All of them, eh?
Yeah.
Oh.
They are nice.
Okay. That is good. That means we are going to start using them, those small ones. But these big ones, we use them so often.
On a daily basis.
Yes.
But for the small ones, I don't like them. They are very sour.
You mean you don't take sour things?
There are some which I take, but those ones which are very sour.
But they are edible. They are not very sour.
Yeah, it is very hard.
That will leave it because it is very hard. My mom is digging. She's so good at digging. For me, I can't bend like that so much for so long.
I have to glorify God.
I thank God, Mkwan, because it's not easy for your age to be bending like that.
For sure.
Someone will be crying, "Oh, my back is killing me. When I bend, I feel like vomiting." That's how they do. Hey.
Well, I thank God.
But for your age to bend like that, you're so powerful. We thank God for that.
Amen. You know, when you trust in God, you ever stay still.
I know.
And younger.
Yes.
Not in age, but your body.
Even the body.
You normally do exercises.
Yeah, that is
and
good.
And digging is one of the best exercises. But people don't know. Yeah.
That is good. It's so good for your life and your mind.
Yeah.
Because you don't just sit there, eat, relax, sleep, wake up, cooking food. No, you're doing something.
But nowadays I don't cook much.
I know.
I thank God for Tania. That very one who is speaking, the owner of that channel. You know, she's a very good cook. And whenever we are together, for me, I thank God I don't cook much.
Guys, I'm a chef to my mother. My mom loves my food so much, and I love so much her food because she cooks very well, and I learned those cooking from my mom, especially because I did not go to a school, a catering school. No, my mom taught me to do that, and I put a lot of energy to learn how to cook.
She's so good.
I'm a good chef because of my mom, courtesy of my mom. Mommy, thank you so much for teaching me how to cook.
You are welcome.
Yes.
And you are also good because you can teach others and they don't want.
I know.
Thank you for appreciating.
Thank you, Mommy. For me, I love cooking. Even if I cook for the whole year, not resting, I cook from Monday up to Sunday. I don't mind because I love cooking and I love eating. Because if you don't want to cook, it's better one to eat, because if you don't cook, nobody will cook for you unless you know how to cook.
And for me, I have a say that a woman, even if you are having 9 degrees, the tennyson must be cooking.
Yeah. I know.
In our local language.
You have to know how to cook if you are a lady. And there are men who know how to cook.
Yeah, so many know.
Yeah, they know how to.
Big hotels.
Yes.
Many are the chefs.
I know. You find very few ladies in the kitchen.
Yeah.
You find men, youths, those kind of, but women are not so men in kitchen. I know that.
Yeah.
For me, I thank God I know how to cook. I can even cook in big hotels.
And I really enjoy your food. I enjoy your food.
This is our okra, big okra. There are those ones which are small, they eat them, but these ones, you put them on coffee. You use that, you use it as coffee. So it is so good for your blood pressure and your heart. It is so good. It is here. We already harvested this, and others are still here. We are going to harvest. I'm going to harvest now to add on what we already harvested. There is this one which has open seeds. I'm going to remove it before it falls down. We have flowers at home. We don't just plant only trees, not flowers only. We plant even fruits at home. This is an apple tree. There's no fruits, but it is here from down. We are so lucky. People say that apples don't grow on dry land. Is it in tropical? But in tropical countries, but for us we have them at home. We thank God for that. We eat apples every time because this tree brings fruits always. But here today there is no fruits. We go chalo. Mwana waffe want chalo. Mommy Apple, you want to go to chalo with Mommy Apple? Ne Jaja Maria. Omutwala. Wangi. We have a guava tree here. It's here. We even have fruits. There is fruits there. There is guavas there. Another one is here. It's there. These are greens. Here. There is greens. Here we have coke and bamboo. We have a forest of bamboo here. It looks so beautiful at home. Dr. Natasha wants to come and camp here. She made her forest here. She wants to come and camp here. Look at it from there. From there.
Oh, that way from.
My God. That is too tall. Wow. These are guavas. We have fruits at home. We don't just plant trees. And it is so good to plant even fruits, not plant only trees, flowers, because you don't eat flowers. We have a forest at home. Dr. Tash wants to camp here. That is her camping place. You see? That space, she wants to come and pitch a tent and sit there. I admire her so much because she loves to sleep outside. Ooh, sweet home, sweet home. Sweet home. Beautiful home. Sweet home. But your friends are back. What a very beautiful view we have. This is what we have at home. Very beautiful compound. This is calendar flowers. You're going to see them are bringing flowers up. We do oil from this, so they are coming out. You're going to see them bringing flowers. This is beautiful. We have plants, we have trees. This is the front yard. Bam, 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 bam. See, we have mangoes. They are coming out. This is our backyard. And that is we have the backyard. That is the table. We sit. We do our things. And that one, you can sit there, relax, do your things like that. You have flowers. We have a lot. Our home is so beautiful. Ooh. This is where we hang our clothes. See, wow, so beautiful. Our backyard is here, full of flowers. Dr. Tash, she's so good at planting flowers at home. Everything you see here, she planted it. She planted it. Everything you see, she's good at planning home. If you want your home to be set like this, please contact me in my inbox. I give her your number, then you talk to her. You get what you want. I'm happy, I'm personal assistant, so you can contact me in any way you can, so that you can reach her anytime you want. Contact me, please, because I'm happy. Beautiful home, beautiful compound, beautiful people. This is so good. Awaliwo ettaka lingi. Ne weetaaga mazzi wakalu. Nze mbadde manyi enkuba etonnya ebintu ebikusala mami.
Oli enkuba getonyera butonyereza.
Nange ndolaba.
Ensi wakalu. Nawe terugaana doodo kumera.
Munnange.
Kino ekyenja kukinoga. Tukole enva. Kirabika bulungi.
Tuguleyo ne nakati.
Tugule sukuma wiki.
Sukuma wiki.
Oba nakati. Naye nakati bakeera mukeere. Wali ku luguudo.
Okufuna omulungi.
Nga bano bamishino ne baleeta.
Kale awo mbadde nsuubira okuba nga wakalu.
Ekutte.